In front of me I have WAHOO Elemnt Rival, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the watch face on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Elemnt application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Elemnt application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the workout page. Now we can tap on settings, and here you should see your Elemnt Rival watch. Now, under the customized category, you should see the watch face. Let me just lower the brightness a tad more, so it's more visible. Okay, now it's fine. So you can tap on watch face option, and here we can select one of the watch faces. We have a couple of them, and you can tap on them to apply them. So find the watch face you like, and then you can customize it even further. You can select the accent color. You can manage widgets. So if you tap here, you can turn on or off some widgets. You can have up to 3 widgets on the page. You can select how many, but up to 3. And once you select the number, you can enable them or disable them by tapping on the switch. And you have widgets like battery status, heart rate, steps, word clock, calories, workout time routine, and stuff like that. So you can customize it to your liking. Okay, you can also enable or disable the option to disable the to display the notification badge. So basically, if you have notification on your watch, you will see the icon right here in the corner of the watch face. You can also disable or enable to display the seconds and the date. And once you're done customizing, you can basically close the app. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.